Hello, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kadek Rani Widiantari. You can call me Rani. My NPM 0013. I would like to tell you a storytelling about Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. A long, long time ago, there lived a queen's daughter. She got the name Princess Rose because her hair is reddish as the red rose. Every evening, she used to sing like a cuckoo with her friend, Golden Bird. The Princess Rose used to clap for calling the Golden Bird. An evil witch saw this and turned Princess Rose hair into black. Today she was lonely in her room. She didn't sing any song. The Golden Bird came then and asked, "Why you are not singing today?" She answered, "Because my hair into black hair." The Golden Bird gave one suggestion. That the black hair should be dipped in only red rose petal water to become red hair. She told her and sang the song, but this time all got the bad sleep and dreadful dreams. So all the people far to sleep itself. Princess Rose changed her hair into red. As regularly she started singing nicely, all the people in the kingdom used to get nice sleep and beautiful dreams. Again, the evil witches came, changed her hair, she washed all the red. Again, all the evil witches came, changed her red, and she furnished all the red rose. She sang the song, but this time all got a bad sleep and dreadful dreams. So all the people feared to sleep itself. This time there are no rose. She was crying and feeling lovely in her room. A handsome prince came here. He has the red hair of Princess Rose. He added water dropped to the hair. It became the red rose. He gave it to her. She dipped her hair in rose water. The hair became red hair. The prince asked the Princess Rose, "Will you marry me, princess?" And the princess said, "Yes, of course." They lived happily together and the evil witches has died. Okay, that's storytelling about Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Thank you. Bye.